For tonight's adventure, I'm doing another cooking class at Harmon's. This time, I'm gonna kill it. What's up, everyone? I'm Rachelle, and welcome to Adventure is Never Far Away. It's possible to have a life full of adventures. Subscribe and come along as I show you that adventure is never far away. Cute friend Elise will be joining me tonight, and she just saved me a seat next to the kitchen. Tonight, it's called Chef's Table for Peruvian cuisine. I don't think I've eaten Peruvian food before.
It's Peruvian Independence Day. Today
No,
and
that
tomorrow.
makes sense.
Yeah.
Bay leaves is an awesome leaf, but at the same time that it's awesome, it gives you lots of flavor. It gives you sweetness into the onions. Onions are sweet by nature, and when you cook them down, they become more sweet. These onions have to cook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my wooden spoon. I call this fast food, all right? Literally fast food, because I told you I put it on the freezer, and if I know that tomorrow I'm gonna be busy or the microwave can probably be defrosted too very quick, I just cook pasta. What it takes me to cook pasta is what it takes me to put food on the table. In the oven, put the chicken, the there you ladies, teamwork.
So those are scallops, and the only other time that I can think of that I've had scallops before has been at a crab cooker. So this is really exciting. I've never had them on a shell before.
Let the smoke come out, don't get your eyes in it.
What do you think?
Really good.
Yeah?
Delicious.
Looks so good. It's like swimming in butter. I'm so good, Chef. It smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. So full. Doesn't even look like I touched my plate, but I'm stuffed. How was your dinner?
Very filling.
Straight carnage. We destroyed that. What do you think, Elise?
So good.
How was your first experience?
A+.
Yes. So awesome. I was all ambitious, like dishing up my plate, and then I could have like just a few bites of everything, and I was like, I'm so full. It's a lot of carbs. I think we had 2 pastas, two rice dishes, and potatoes. So let me ask you a few questions. How's your tummy? Oh,
So
you got a food baby? Food baby. All right. Was that your first time eating mussels?
Yes.
Yes.
Clams, no.
No.
But mussels, yeah.
What else? What about scallops?
Yes. I love scallops.
We're gonna make that.
Yeah.
We gotta get rich first. That was delicious, and I am stuffed. See you tomorrow for our second to last adventure.